Hello there, my name is Edgar. Core by Premier Software enables you to set up courses for client purchase. A course of treatments enables clients to purchase a series of appointments, either of the same or multiple types, in advance, at a discount. Therefore, today I will be showing you how to do this using Core. Part 1. Course Setup. To set up a course, first log into Manager if you are a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. On the main screen that then appears, head to the Appointments section and click Courses. From the menu that then appears, click the green plus button in the bottom right. Enter the name of the new course in the description box. If you are making a course with multiple of the same treatment, then remember to put in the number of appointments in the description too, such as massage 60 minutes times 3. Using the Income Center drop-down menu next to this, you can then select the course purchase to make sure any financial details match up. Next, select the site this course can be purchased at if you are a multi-site business. If you only want the course to be available at one site, highlight the site from the site allocation list and click the single arrow to the right. If you would like the course to be available at all sites, simply click the double arrow to the right of the courses. You will now be able to see the applicable sites in the allocated box. Once you are finished, click the green tick. Next, click the Site Details tab at the top. Here you can put in any additional details for each site the course is available at. Highlight the first site, then input any alternative description if necessary. Then type in the price of the course in the price box, as well as any loyalty points the course may give in the loyalty add box, or how many loyalty points will be used from a client who selects the course for redemption under loyalty use. You can then input a start date as well as an end date for the course, or simply leave these blank if you want the course to be available immediately and have no definitive end date. You can also enter how many months the course is valid for if you wish. Next, you can add the different treatments to your course. Click the green plus to get started. Scroll down the additional course item pop-up that then appears and click on the treatment you would like to add. Then enter the quantity of that treatment you would like in the course under the quantity box. You can also set the price of the individual treatment. This will be the price for just one of the treatments. Once you've made your first selection, click the green tick. You can then click the green plus again to add as many treatments as you would like to the course. Make sure, however, that the price of the individual treatments all add up to the price you have set for the course in the price box above. You can also give clients a choice of what treatments to pick from on your new course if you'd like. To do this, simply click Add Selection on the Site Details screen. Highlight the treatment you would like to give an option for, then click the arrow to allocate it to the course. Remember to set the price and quantity as before. Once you are done, click the green tick. You will be able to amend any details under Selection Details. Once you are happy with all the course details, click the back arrow to save the changes. Part 2. Course Sales and Redemption. Once you have set up a course within Core, you can then sell these and clients can redeem them. To sell one of these courses, first log into Reception. Under the Tilling section, click Client Member Sale. Make sure this isn't Till Sale, as this will mean you cannot allocate the course to the client later. Find the client by typing in their surname and click the magnifying glass. You can also search for them using any other details such as their email address or postcode if they have provided them. Once you have located the client, highlight them and click the green tick. If the client is new, you will receive a pop-up to ask whether to add the client or not. You can then select yes and set up a new client card, or use the green plus. Input their details as necessary. You can now continue with the sale regardless of whether the client is due to depart or not. On the Tilling screen that should now appear, click the courses icon. Find the course to be purchased from the list and then click to highlight this. To add the course to the client's bill, click the green plus button. Once you have selected all the courses the client wishes to purchase, you can press the back arrow button. Click the green tick to then continue. You will now be taken to a payment screen. Select the method the client wishes to pay and click the green tick to finalize the sale. When the client is ready to redeem a course they have purchased, head to the scheduling section and click Appointment Booking in Reception. Then click the arrival bell at the top of the screen. You can then arrive the client as normal by highlighting their name and clicking the green tick. Then head to the billing screen and click the Course Items icon. Click Automatic Course and the appointment quantity will reduce by 1 and the total to pay will change to £0 and 0 pence. Alternatively, under the Payment Method drop-down menu, and if the client has booked in for that course, you can select Course Redemption. Click the back arrow once the client is ready, then click the green tick. You will see that any payment has already been allocated to the Course Redemption box. click the green tick once more to finalize the redemption. Now you know how to set up and sell courses using Core. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for other regular Core videos? For more details about Core, you can also visit www.premier-core.com or follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions. In the meantime, why not watch these other Core advice videos to help lift your business? Take care and thank you for watching.